Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Blazer. This front wheel drive Blazer comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, our back tinted windows, and 18-inch bright silver aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our cloth seating with a blue lining. When it comes to the interior, we have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, your heated seating, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.